Everyone wants to be early in investing until they actually are, because the truth is, being early feels exactly like being wrong. You buy into a company before the hype, and the stock goes nowhere. Or worse, it drops 10, 20, even 30%. Now you're sitting there questioning everything. Did I miss something? Was this a bad pick? But this is where most investors get it wrong. The market doesn't reward you for being early right away. It tests you first. When you invest before the crowd, there's no momentum, no headlines, no validation, just silence, and sometimes losses. And that silence feels like failure. But think about it. If a stock is already taking off and everyone's talking about it, you're not early anymore. You're just on time, or even late. Real investing gains often come from sitting in that uncomfortable phase where nothing is happening, or it looks like you made the wrong call. That's why most people don't make big money. They don't lack intelligence. They lack patience. They sell right before the thesis plays out and then watch the stock run without them. So next time your investment isn't moving, don't panic immediately. Ask yourself, has the thesis changed, or am I just early? Because in investing, those two can feel exactly the same,